Hi, Tony here. It's Christmas Eve. It's day 24, 24th of December, and here I am with my last tip of the year. And do you know what? It's not really a tip. The tips I've gone through with you over these last 23 days are just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more you can be doing within your business from a technology standpoint. What I've gone through with you, like I said, over the last 23 days has been little things that can either make you more productive, save you a little bit of money, or save you some time, or something like that. But there is so much more you can do. So make a plan. Today's tip is make a plan for what you're going to do, not only in the new year, but plan for the next 3 to 5 years regarding your technology. Make sure you've got technology reviews booked in with your IT company. If they don't provide you with your phone system or your internet or something like that, make sure you review those as and when the contracts come to an end. Have a plan in place, schedule it into your calendar, and complete it. That's my tip. That's my final tip. Plan, schedule, execute. It's Christmas Eve. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the new year. But who knows? I might sneak a video in between Christmas and New Year. Only time will tell. But like I said, have a great Christmas, and I'll see you again soon.